These 1-pound air-fried chicken wings are crispy on the outside and insanely juicy on the inside. Cut 400-gram whole chicken wings into sections. Score each side with shallow cuts. Put the wings into a food bag. Add 35 grams of New Orleans seasoning. If you don't have it, you can use this Cajun-style mix instead. Add 30 milliliters of water. Massage everything for about 1 minute until well coated. Refrigerate and marinate for at least 2 hours. Take the wings out 15 minutes before cooking and let them come to room temperature. Preheat the air fryer at 180 degrees centigrade for 3 minutes. Spread the rack evenly with a high smoke point oil. Place the wings inside. Save the leftover marinade. Spray a little oil over the surface. Air fry at 180 degrees centigrade for 7 minutes. Flip them over, then brush on the remaining marinade. Air fry again at 180 degrees centigrade for another 6 minutes. Top with toasted white sesame seeds. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe to Bay's Kitchen. See you next time.